Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn Chinese characters.
春
Watch my pronunciation.
春吃温春春春风春风春风吹绿了大地，春风吹绿了大地，春雨春雨，昨晚下了一场春雨。昨晚下了一场春雨。春节，春节，春节时，孩子们放起了鞭炮。春节时，孩子们放起了鞭炮。
Now let's see how to write this character. This character represents the season when winter passes, the weather gets warm, and flowers, grass, and trees begin to grow. In Chinese culture, it stands for new life, hope, warmth, beauty, and a new beginning. So what is the most important festival in China? Yes, it is the Spring Festival, which means the start of a new year, reunion, and good luck. The lower part represents the sun. When winter passes, spring comes. This stroke should be long. Note that these three strokes are different in length and must not be written the same. See you next class. That's all for today.